it's me, and today we are opening up presents. I might know two of them, but let's get on. First of all, I'm opening this one. This is from my, Mom, who is this from?
I said Titi Maria.
Oh, Titi Maria? Wow. Ooh, little baby hair. Ooh. There's this t-shirt. That's so cute. And then we have pants that I absolutely love. Little gloves and they're soft. The socks, perfect. And that's it. The ones that I know I'm saving for last. Absolutely cute. My own business. Whoa. It's a Care Bears baby play set. That's actually super nice. Put in there. Trash pile over here. The bobbers. Hey. I do not know what that is, but I'm gonna open it. I don't even know what it is. Can I open it because I don't see and I don't know what it is. Can I? How do I open it? Oh. Okay. Ooh. No way. It's a tablet case. This is gonna look so cool on my tablet. If I even charge it. Or I think this is too big, I don't know. Put it back in the box, so it's gonna be in a keep pile. Yeah. Now this one I'm excited for. I think it's like a box. Because like, this is how wide it is. It's like half the size as me. Like 2.5 the size as me. Probably like 1.5. No way! No way! Perfect! Perfect! It's perfect. Absolutely. Perfect. And the trash pile it goes. All the rips and tears. I'm gonna open the little one first. Can we guess what this is, guys? Now I know what that one is. Yes! Fine! This? Oh. It just dropped right then and there. But these, it gonna help me grow.
What is it though?
It's an iPad with an Apple Pen. But these is gonna help me draw. One that slipped right then and there. These are gonna help me draw.
Good.
So I might be doing some videos. And some shorts about drawing.
Yes.
And thank you to everybody. I was trying to comprehend what's in my mind. That's what I'm like. But thank you everybody who bought me this. But yeah, that's awesome.
Well, you know, because of the weather, you haven't got the rest, but it's okay.
But it's
Your
still
sister
good.
and your brother. It's okay.
And bye guys, and I hope you enjoyed my present unboxing video. Let's